from all of you. Motivation-wise, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang inyong tournament here in Season 17. You still have a grand finals to go to sa Sunday. How's the approach like looking for you guys and the rest of the team?
As usual po, yung season 15, bibigay pa rin namin best namin, pero nakuha na namin yung isang goal, so isang goal na lang para matapos na to season na to.
Okay, okay.
And I think we never got a chance to ask your thanks para sa lahat ng mga nanonood dito ngayon, whether it's for Onyx, whether it's for Liquid. There's so many people who supported you right from the start. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
Sobrang thank you sa Couple Red, syempre sa Sonic, hindi magiging masaya yung series kung wala kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Okay. I might have one last question for Sanford, Hans, if it's okay. Grabe naman. Okay, so I'll keep it pretty simple. So we all know there will still be a lower bracket finals tomorrow between Onyx and Falcons. Kung papipiliin ka, sino ang gusto mong makatapat heading into the grand final?
Kasi parehas na namin nakasama yung yung Falcons sa 2024 tapos Onyx ng 2025. Siguro Onyx siguro kasi sobrang deserving ni Samero and sobrang makita namin yung potential niya and yung puso niya sa game sobrang kakaiba kaya napakangan niya talaga kami si Samero.
And I think that's it. So the decision for Sanford is Onyx dahil maglalaban pa sila sa kung sino yung
Meron pa pala tayong abangan mamaya between Smart Omega and Team Falcons. So, meron tayong mga nalatag na choices doon pero hindi yun yung definite. Maaalalaman pa lang natin yun mamaya-maya. So, hanggang dito na muna tayo, guys. Congratulations once again to Team Liquid Philippines. At mukhang it's about time. Kasi meron pa tayong onting pakulo kung hindi ako nagkakamali, di ba?
Okay, I wonder. Ano yung pakulo?
Meron pa tayong onting pakulo dito eh. May gagawin yata tayo dito with our crowd. So,
with the fans.
Yes,
with the
with the
VIPs.
fans, with the VIPs.
With the VIPs, okay.
Okay.
Sige, guys, ito sinasabi ko lang sa inyo, you're completely missing out on the things that are happening kasi kapag nandito ka, you get a chance to do it. Okay? So, guys, if you want your selfies to be taken, go ahead, do it. Do just that. Oh, sige, Sanford, ikaw na mag-interview. Okay, go. No, hindi, joke lang. Nabigla ka yata eh. Pero, ayan. Again, for everybody who's watching at home, this is the opportunity that you get. Dito, yeah. Okay, I guess that's what we're gonna do while we're here. Pero sa ngayon, ibato muna natin sa Infinix Liquid Cooling Beast Mode. Mic check.